What do fertilizers, detergents, synthetic resins, dyestuffs, pharmaceuticals, petroleum catalysts, insecticides, antifreeze, enamels, inks, paper, explosives, lubricants and batteries all have in common? They're all made using sulphuric acid, H2SO4. It's a highly corrosive, colourless, oily liquid. Sulphuric acid is one of the most important industrial chemicals. On Earth, it's the highest produced commodity chemical by volume, with humans making over 270 million tonnes in 2024. That's the equivalent weight of approximately 46 Great Pyramids of Giza. The Benzies want to replicate this on Aramat so they can fuel their growing industries. They're going to use the contact process to mass produce sulphuric acid. The process takes place over 3 steps. Firstly, they need to make sulphur dioxide, then convert that to sulphur trioxide, and finally make sulphuric acid. The first stage in the process involves the combustion of sulphur and an excess of oxygen to produce sulphur dioxide. This is carried out in a specially designed combustion chamber. Liquid sulphur is sprayed into the chamber where it's combusted with oxygen from a stream of dry, treated air. This produces sulphur dioxide. This process generates a large amount of heat from the combustion, and the Benzenes are always looking for more ways to power their industries, so they recover this heat and use it to generate steam and in turn electrical power. The next stage in the process is the conversion of the sulphur dioxide to sulphur trioxide. This reaction is also exothermic as well as reversible. The production of sulphur trioxide is carried out in a catalytic converter. Here, the gas mixture of sulphur dioxide and the leftover oxygen from the combustion chamber is passed over beds of vanadium oxide catalyst where the reaction takes place. Multiple catalyst beds are used in series to ensure a maximum conversion efficiency. The reaction is carried out at 450 degrees Celsius to balance the rate of reaction and the yield. Again, this process produces heat. The benzenes recover this energy using heat exchangers. The final part of the process involves 2 stages. Firstly, reacting the sulphur trioxide with a highly concentrated stream of pre-made sulphuric acid to form oleum. If you were to react the sulphur trioxide directly with water to form sulphuric acid, the heat produced would make the reaction too difficult to control. Once the oleum is produced, it can then be diluted with water to form concentrated sulphuric acid. The gaseous stream of sulphur trioxide enters a packed column. Here it reacts with a stream of concentrated sulphuric acid to make oleum, a dense, clear and oily liquid. The oleum is then pumped to a continuously stirred vessel to react with water to form sulphuric acid. Oleum reacts violently with water, releasing a lot of heat. Direct contact with water causes it to splatter, which is why it's carefully handled during the dilution process. The vessel is cooled with a chilled water cooling jacket to remove heat generated from the dilution. The sulphuric acid can now be shipped to other processing plants to be manufactured into all kinds of products. The benzenes have now designed and built a process to produce a key intermediate chemical. The benzenes are new to YouTube and they want to keep sharing their journey. If you want to see more, consider hitting the subscribe button.